Trapped in a blizzard, the young man was nearly disoriented as fog enveloped everything around him. Visibility was gone, and the cold gripped his every step. Just when he thought he had no other options, he unexpectedly discovered a small gap between the rocks. From a makeshift shelter, he used everything he could to create a place warm and sheltered enough to protect him from the cold. And amidst the still raging storm, that small space allowed him to survive the night, safe in what had previously been just an insignificant crack in the rocks.